does the chronic inflammation and immune activation affect, not in the older generation, but really younger people, their focus, motivation, mental clarity, and even mental disorder?
Yeah, and I think this was really important because we're talking about the younger generation,
Yeah.
and the younger generation today is, I think, different than the younger generation when we were growing up
Yeah.
because today we're not putting the same, in general, demands on our on kids' brains. They are also they're not having the same type of human interaction in general that
Yeah.
we had. So, for example, people have so much more screen time than we had as kids, and unfortunately, the screen time is taking away from interpersonal human interaction. And because of that, we're seeing, especially in females and college age kids, especially female, we're seeing anxiety and depression rates explode as the amount of human interaction is going away. So it's hard when we're talking about this, it's hard to tease out how much of it is that and how much of it is higher toxin levels. We know that the amount of plastic in our environment, including in our food supply, is doubling every 14 years.
Yes.
That means that our kids are having that they have much higher levels of plastics and other toxins. How much of that is causing the brain fog and how much of it is from not enough human interaction? I think it's both contributing.
But have you seen actually people that you put on your protocol, younger people, that their amount of anxiety and even mental disorder really actually improved tremendously?
100%. And I would say some of the sickest patients I've seen, early teenagers, 17, 16, who ended up having extremely high levels of toxins and infections, mold, Lyme, parasites, and they couldn't think clearly to the point that I advised them not to even go to school that year because